Hi there, this is an instructional tutorial on how to use my yearly social media content calendar. So this has a multiple amount of tabs and places for you to organize and plan your social media for the year. This is your dashboard tab, so on the bottom you can see there's multiple tabs. The first one has a README, and then this has just the link to, once I'm done with this video, your instructional video link will be here. This dashboard shows you, first of all, it shows you some goals. It has a to-do list, and then it shows just tracking the amount of followers, clicks, and visits that you have for each one of your social media platforms. So starting on the left, this is a goals chart for you to track if your goals are complete or not complete, if you've made your goals. So as you check them off, this will change. You can make a goal date, so you double click in here and then you can have a goal of, any date, and then this would be the days left of your goal. Now, if you want to put in goals, so you just double click in the cell here, you can uncheck this, and then you can put a new goal here, hit enter, and then check it off once it's done. Once you go into a cell that is blank, if you type in a goal, then it will turn it pink, and then you can check it off, and then it will strike it through for you. Same thing with your to-do list. Your to-do list, you've got a due date that you can put in, double click in here, or you can physically just highlight it and then write the date. That would work too. So you can write to-do lists of things that are important, and then the number complete. This will count how many items that you have that are completed. And then here on your planning part, this will show you the platform, so you can choose the platform: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and YouTube. You could also edit that and add or delete anything that you don't want. You would just hit the trash can to remove the value, or add another item. You would just add another item and then hit done. And yes, you want to apply it to all. This will be, so say we want to choose YouTube for the month. So we have 100 followers, 100 clicks, and 25 visits. You can do that. If you wanted to make another column, you just click and drag, hit copy and paste, and then you can do another item there. Just like that. Okay, next to the hashtag manager. So this is a place for you to plan your hashtags, the hashtag, the size, and this is really long, so you can put as many hashtags as you like. And then the tabs here on the bottom, this goes all the way out to December. So we'll start in January. Now, each one of these tabs is identical. Okay, so if you go in, you can select the month. So if I went in and select March, it would manually change the numbers to that corresponding year. So if I went to 2024, it's going to change everything for the dates. So let's go back to January. Okay, starting on Sunday, you can choose. So this is the first. This is going to be your first set of content, and it goes down to here, down to line 50. And then you can choose the platform. So you've got each one of the platforms you can choose. So say we choose, let's do YouTube. We want to do the video starting at 3 p.m. The type, be video. What your goal is. So we want to get likes. You've got an image that you can put in. So this is how to do this. So you click in here, hit the backspace to delete your image, and then you can add another one. So you would go to the top, insert image in cell, click the browse button, choose a picture, and hit open. And it will insert your picture right into the cell. So this would help you to know, what picture you're going to be using for that day. There's a place for you to add your hashtags. Anything for idea of what you're going to be doing, if it's going to be just a video. So you just Control A to select all. So you put that there. The caption, this would be the description. So you put that in here. And then the call to action link. So you can highlight this. There's a place for a checklist. You can customize this and do, anything that you want and put that in there and then check that off when you're done. And then the status, posted, complete, needs review, or in progress. Oops. And that's it. So this is just for the first, and then this would go, this group ends on line 50, and then for each day of the month, you've got a place. So this is the 15th, and that goes all the way down to the 31st. So that's how that works. I hope this helps you with planning your social media content for the year. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to purchase this spreadsheet by clicking on the link in the description below. Hope y'all have a good day.